Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download TikTok videos without Watermark. Firstly, open the TikTok app or website. Find the video you want to download, then tap the share icon and choose copy link. Now go to SSSTik.io or open this in your browser and then paste the TikTok link into the input box in SSSTik. Now click the download button and choose the without watermark option. The video will download to your device, PC or phone. If pop-ups appear, close them and click the download button again. For iPhones, the best to use Safari plus the Documents by Riado app for easier downloads. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.